Hey guys, Matt here. Welcome back to this week's portfolio update. Look, I tried to be a disciplined investor, as someone who has a YouTube channel and all that stuff. I tried to be disciplined, but today, I'm down 20% of my portfolio. I'll show you that in a second. Look, I snapped and I made a very emotional decision. So normally I have a very disciplined way of deploying my money. If you're new to my channel, if you're returning my channel, you already know this. But every week, so every month I put in 3 grand into Fidelity, and then every week, every Monday, I put 300 bucks into a growth stock, and every Wednesday, I put 300 bucks into a value stock. That's the way I've been doing it for at least a few months now. But today, I broke. I saw everything down, and then I saw Google drop below 100 bucks. And yeah, I spent 600 bucks on Google today. And that is in addition to my normal investing method. So that means next Monday, I'm going to be spending 300 more bucks into Google. Don't look at me. It's not my fault. It's clearly Google's fault for dropping below 100 bucks. It's clearly Google's fault for looking like a snack. I mean, I don't have to tell you what kind of heights Google is set for. I mean, you already know that Google is let's just say it's not a small company, and it's got a lot of growth ahead of it. If any of these analysts are to be believed, seeing Google below 100 bucks is a freaking, that is Christmas right there. Now, moving on to the rest of the portfolio, yeah, everything is down. I know you can't see all the way over here, but all of my stocks except for Tapestry and Tesla are right against that 52-week low. Some of them are hitting multi-year lows. We got GEVO dropping below 50% losses, Palantir 43% losses. Everything is absolutely terrible. And the only thing, if it's any consolation to myself, I know I'm not alone. We got the NASDAQ, which is well in the crash territory by the year. We got the S&P 500, well in the bear market territory. And we got the Dow, which is just about to hit the bear market. So yeah, everyone is feeling it. And right now, you can't trust energy stocks right now because crude oil is dropping below 80. There is no refuge. Well, that's not true. The only refuge right now, the only part that's looking good right now for me is my high interest savings accounts. Right now, it just hit 2%. So that is the only good thing going on right now as far as short term. Now, if I was a short-term investor, if all these were options, yeah, I'd be feeling some type of way right now. But the way I see it right now, as a long-term investor, someone who's not planning on selling any of these for the time being for years on end, the only thing I see right now are options. I have way too many options. Now, I think I mentioned at the last portfolio update that I was trying to decide which stocks to focus on as far as, everything is down. Where do I focus my limited cash flow? Well, I already spoiled it at the beginning, is that I'm going to be putting my money into Google for the time being. I will try to put some money into FedEx. As a matter of fact, I did put some money into FedEx Monday, but I'm going to be focusing more on Google. No offense against Meta. Now, I will probably take some weeks off for Meta, but right now, with the thing with Meta is I know Google is poised for success. I know that. And so is Meta. I'm a little worried about the whole metaverse thing, and I've been thinking about Instagram, and I don't know. I may make a video talking about that, but I feel like Instagram has sort of it's lost what made it great, and I don't know how much growth potential is in that. And as far as my value stock, I have so many options to choose from, and I know it. So many options. I think for the time being, I'm going to stick with SCHD. I wish I had all the money in the world. I can dump money into the AT&T and dump money into Walgreens and dump money into Verizon, but I don't. Unless I want to nickel and dime it, put $2 here, $2 here. No, that's not going to get me anywhere. So right now, value stocks, I'm going to focus on SCHD for the time being until I feel like I focus enough. Maybe 10 grand if I get that high. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.